Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to set your profile picture to private on Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook app. Tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your profile picture or name to go to your profile page. After that, tap on your current profile picture. In the top right corner of the profile picture, you should see three vertical dots. Tap on it. After that, tap on Edit Privacy. You will be presented with options like Public, Friends Accept, and Only Me. If you want to make your profile picture visible by only to private, tap on Only Me and go back. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.